Hey everybody, today I have a Duro DS4000S 4000 watt generator. This belongs to a friend of mine. The last time he used it was like 3 years ago, and he just wanted me to look at it to see if it runs or not. He said he had somebody else kind of taking care of it for him, so I don't know if they cut the gas off or not. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to take and take a peek at the gas. Let's see, can I get this out? Yeah. So the gas smells okay. Let's get a look at it. It's a little yellowed, but it smells pretty good. So before we start it, I think it'll probably run on this gas. We are going to check and see. Get that back on. So one of the things I first noticed is they didn't remove the shipping brace. There's a shipping brace here that keeps the motor from moving. That needs to come off. I'll take that off. So what we're going to do first, we're going to come over here, and they did cut the gas off. So the gas is off. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull this fuel drain on the carburetor to see if fuel drains out of it. You have a 10 millimeter? Come on, G Junior, get over here and take that drain plug out.
This one?
Yes.
Or the bottom one?
No, take that one. That's the float bowl drain. Let's see if there's any fuel that comes out or nastiness, or it looks like it's all corroded inside. All right, let me see this. Let me see that. Okay, if you notice, that is clean. The drain plug is clean. I'm gonna have to say that they drained the gas out of it. It looks pretty good in there. Go ahead. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and before we, hold on. Put the rag underneath it. We're gonna go ahead and turn the gas on and see if the float is gonna work. Yep, and we have gas coming out. Like I said, the gas looks a little yellow, but it smells pretty good. Cut it off. All right, go ahead and put the drain plug back in. There you go. All right, we'll lose the rag. All right, let's walk over this way here. Let's check the oil. I'm going to go ahead and turn the gas back on. It's full, unbelievably full and clean. Put that back in.
You're supposed to check it like this.
Yeah, it looks like there was enough oil on the stick. All right, so engine switch on. I'll leave the breakers off for now. Air cleaner, here's the choke. Choke closed, choke open, so we'll set the choke. Fuel is on. I think we probably, once you grab that end, let's go ahead and set it on the ground. Actually, let's go bring it outside. Here, don't strain yourself. I'll get this done. Ready? Okay. Turn it that way. All right, so we're all set to try to pull it over. Go ahead and pull it over. Let's see if it starts. I got the choke. Machine's on, choke's on. Wow, first pull. Turn the choke off. Turn the breakers on. Do we have anything we can plug into it? The on-off switch doesn't work. Yeah, go ahead. Well, there's definitely something wrong with the on-off switch. We cut the fuel off to let it shut down. how long they'll run when there's the fuel in the fuel bowl. All right, I just turned the choke on and it worked to run it out of gas. There's something wrong with the on-off switch. It doesn't work. It only stays running. You can see how rusted it is, so we're probably gonna have to get a new switch for it. But unbelievably, ran fine. It's been sitting for 3 years. The gas is beginning to turn yellow a little bit, but it still smells good. We're gonna have to get an on-off switch for it, and we're gonna remove this this packing bar so the motor can vibrate around like it's supposed to. All right, everybody, just a quick one. We didn't know if there was anything wrong with this one or not. All right, everybody, some bonus footage. So you saw earlier when I cut the switch off, the generator was not cutting off. So we popped the switch out. I used my multimeter and checked it, and the switch was okay. So I checked the connections down here. So we looked into it a little farther, and right here, this is the ground wire that cuts the ignition off. A mouse, you can see there's mouse droppings there. A mouse has gotten in here and chewed through the wire. So we're gonna have to strip this wire back. The other piece of the wire is down in here. We're gonna have to fish that out and reconnect it somehow. So there's your bonus footage. That's why this one will not shut off, is when you throw the switch, it grounds out this wire and shuts the unit off. When it's broken, it just will stay running. All right, everybody, there's your bonus footage.